Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to import videos into CapCut on your PC. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest and smoothest way to bring your video files into your project and have them ready for editing. Importing correctly is the first step toward creating great content, so let's get right into it. First things first, let's launch CapCut on your PC. Make sure you've got it installed and updated so you're starting with a fresh workspace. Once you open CapCut, you can either start a brand new project or open up an existing one if you want to add new video clips to something you're already working on. The workflow is basically the same in both cases, so don't worry if you're coming back to a project you've already begun. Now, in the main CapCut interface, look for the Media panel, which is usually on the top left side of your screen. This is where all your imported files, videos, images, audio are going to live before you actually drag them into your timeline. It's kind of like your project's closet, storing everything until you're ready to use it. To import videos, the easiest method is to use the blue Import button, right in the center of the Media panel. If you haven't imported any files yet, this button appears nice and large with a plus sign. If you've already got some media in your library, you might notice a smaller Import button tucked in there instead. Don't let the size confuse you, both work the exact same way. So go ahead and click that button when you're ready to bring in your new footage. As soon as you click Import, your computer's File Explorer will pop up. This is where you browse your folders and locate the video files you want to work with. If your clips are stored in a specific folder, navigate there using the folder sidebar or search function. Here's a tip. If you want to add multiple videos, you don't have to import them one by one. Simply hold down the Control key if you're on Windows or Command if you're using a Mac, and click on each file you want to select. This way, you can batch import several clips at once. Super helpful for bigger projects or vlogs where you've recorded in multiple takes. Once you've selected your files, hit the Open or Import button in your File Explorer. CapCut will then load those videos into your Media panel. This part might take a few moments depending on the size and number of your video files, so don't worry if your computer is thinking for a bit. You'll know it's done when you see your video thumbnails pop up neatly in the Media tab. Alright, your clips are officially in CapCut, but they're not part of your timeline yet. To start editing, just drag and drop your chosen video clips from the Media panel down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Think of the timeline as the actual story you're telling. It's where you arrange everything scene by scene. As you drag your clips down, you'll see them snap right into place, ready for trimming, adding transitions, or whatever creative touches you have in mind, and that's all there is to it. You've just imported your videos into CapCut PC, and you're ready to get editing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about video importing or CapCut features, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this, so you never miss a tip. Happy editing. And I'll see you in the next video.